Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have for you an unboxing of the Samsung Q950T 9.1.4 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X for true 3D surround sound. As you can see pictured on the box, this comes with the soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and two rear wireless satellite speakers. And what is actually unique about this soundbar is that it actually syncs with certain Samsung TVs so that it actually utilizes the speakers built in the TV in conjunction with the soundbar speakers for fuller, more immersive cinematic sound, which Samsung calls Q Symphony. And it just so happens that I actually have one of those TVs that this soundbar is compatible with, so I am definitely looking forward to testing that out. Another interesting aspect of these speakers is that the speakers are not just front firing but up firing as well for even more immersive sound. The soundbar system is a true 9.1.4 channel sound system. Through the 20 speaker system, the soundbar's 9 channels, one subwoofer channel, and 4 up firing channels envelop you in sound. With wide speakers on both corners of the soundbar, powerful audio fills the space and rear speakers amplify the surround sound experience. The soundbar does have Alexa built in, and it does have adaptive sound. So the soundbar Q950T analyzes your content to automatically deliver optimized sound based on each scene, letting you hear speech clearly even at the lowest volumes. So some of the sound modes that this does have is a surround sound expansion. It's got Game Pro, Standard, and Adaptive. Another thing with the soundbar is that it does have what they're calling tap sound. So basically you can play music from your smartphone onto your soundbar with just a tap. Simply tap the soundbar with your smartphone and start playing your favorite playlists. And as I mentioned earlier, it's got a Game Pro sound mode. So you can connect your console to the soundbar to boost your gaming experience, optimize sound while offering clear directional sound to gain the advantage. And this being a newer soundbar, this actually has HDMI enhanced audio return channel, or eARC, which is HDMI version 2.1. It also supports DTS HD Master Audio, DTS:X, Dolby True HD, Dolby Atmos. So a little bit more specs about the TV. It's got Wi-Fi TV connection, so you can connect your TV to the soundbar using Wi-Fi. It also has a Bluetooth TV connection, so if your TV is Bluetooth capable, you could connect to the soundbar using Bluetooth. And this thing is also SmartThings app compatible, so you can actually connect this to your SmartThings app and you'll be able to control your sound system via your phone as well. And some of the connectivity options on this, it's got 2 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output. Again, it's got the HDMI eARC. It has an optical output, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice features. Again, it's got Alexa built into it. The little specs it mentions about it: the true 9.1.4 channel, 3D audio codec support, wireless rear speaker kit included, built-in voice assistant, and the Q Symphony that I was actually very interested in giving a try. And then here's just some of the features: Spotify 8-inch sub. You can see here on the bottom is where the actual connections are. You've got your digital audio in, your optical, HDMI 2, HDMI 1. You got your HDMI to TV, which is the eARC. You've got a little service connection here. You got your ID set, which is for the woofer, rear speakers. You got your network button here. And then farther down here, that's where your power plug will go. So my guess is this big box is probably the subwoofer. Or maybe this is the subwoofer. I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay, so the box on the left was actually just a filler. Okay, so here we've got the 2 rear speakers as well as some power cables. 2 power cables. And here is one of the rear satellite speakers. Here's the ID set button. This is where you'll be using to sync it to the soundbar. And your little link and standby lights. On the bottom is where the power plug is. The top, you got your top speaker, you got your front facing speaker. Okay, you got your manual. Oops, sorry about that. So you got your manual, got your HDMI, got 2 power plugs here. Looks like you get a remote. By the feel of it, it feels like it's a 1-connect remote. AA batteries. This feels like it's a mount. Yep. Well, sort of a remote. One remote. This one's definitely specified to the sound speaker. Got your mute, volume, woofer, sound mode, setup, pair button. Looks like your play, pause, power. Not sure what that one is actually for. Looks like a source button. Yeah, that's source. And then you got your directional wheel. So it's not exactly a 1 remote, but they made it look exactly like one now. So this one must be the subwoofer. And here is the subwoofer. And on the back here you got the power plug. Again, you got your ID set and your link lights. And that looks to be about everything in the box. Yep. This is just a filler, so that's empty. As you can see, it got beat up a bit inside shipping. It should have been solid like this, so hopefully it did its job and protected it, which I'm guessing it did. But that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Then you got your subwoofer, got your 2 satellite speakers, you got your center channel, and all your little miscellaneous goods. Now I just have to see about rearranging this place. I'm going to have it replace my 2 large speakers, my Klipsch sub, my center channel, and this is going to go ahead and replace that, and it will connect to my Q950T Samsung TV, and hopefully I can experience some really nice sound using the Q Symphony. Alright, well, this was the unboxing of the Samsung Q950T 9.1.4 channel soundbar system. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care and be safe out there.